Hello everyone, welcome back to TechOver. Today in this tutorial, I will show you the basics of Photoshop to remove the background. Since this is my first video tutorial on Photoshop, so let's start with some basic things. This is the simple way to remove the background and you do not need to waste your time. Okay, let's start it. This is the new version of Photoshop. Now let's import the pictures. Now go to File, click on this Open and select this picture image you want and then click on this Open. Now we will remove this background. Let's unlock this. Duplicate this layer by hitting Ctrl J, then click on this remove background. Now we can see background has removed. Now let's fix this. Hit B for the brush. Make some settings for our brush. Then hold the left button in your mouse. Then press it like this. There is another option to remove the background. Select this icon, then select this quick selection tool, then select our subject. You can see here it's loading. Once our subject has been selected, click on this select and mask. Fix this issue by following the same steps. Hold the left button in your mouse, then press it like this. To increase the size of the brush, hold the Alt button in your keyboard. Increase it by holding the left button in your mouse. Click on this and you can see the changes here. Let's uncheck this. See the difference. Okay, let's check it. You can see here. Let's fix this issue. Now uncheck this and click on this refine here and check this. Click on OK. See the difference. Let's duplicate this by hitting Ctrl J if you need, or else you may leave it. Let's add the background for this. Click on this plus icon and create the layer. If you want to do any changes, do on this layer so that you can modify later if you want anything changes. Select the color whichever you want. Now drag this layer below this. If you want to change the background color, double click on this and you can change the color of this using the pen tool. make a group of this. Select all this layer, then click on this folder. Now let's see another image. Duplicate this layer and go to selection tool, then select our subject like this. So if you want to remove the unwanted selection, you can do it by holding the Alt button in your keyboard and clear this like this by holding the left button in your mouse by holding Alt button. If you want to select any subject, then you can see a plus sign. This is our selection, minus is our remove. You can remove the unwanted subject by this. And let's click on this. And now you can see here the changes. Check this and click on this refine here. You can see the difference. And there is some distraction in our picture, if not completely clear. So to fix this, I will show you another method. Just duplicate this and click on this remove background. Now you can see the difference. Let's hide this and on this. If you want, you can duplicate this layer and you can see the changes. Now let's drag and drop this image here. This will be the background of our image and subject. Drag this below. Now you can see the background. It's perfect now. The distraction in this image. So let's remove this. By selecting quick selection tool, you can remove the unwanted part like this. Select this tool and draw this to delete the selected part. Now we can see. Now this is the perfect to me. Now we will remove one more image background. Just click on this remove background and you can see it's perfect. Now click on this plus icon and clear the layer and select this icon, and here select solid. You can change the color later. Drag this below and double click on this, then select the color whichever you need. I hope this tutorial helped you a lot for the beginners. No matter you are a beginner, anyone can do this, but you have to know the basic things. Let's meet with some another more interesting video. Until have a nice day.